We're down at the Najik Torrance office, and this machine came in as a result of a house fire. So we weren't sure that it was going to still be working or not. So let's plug it in and see if it works. Because come in and see the damage here. It's pretty, not just smoke, but it's all melted, burned. It's even cracked open. Now let's see if it still works. So I'm going to take this in and I'm going to plug it into the wall here. That's pretty amazing. This thing. It still works. That's amazing. So you got to get yours. This thing is not only a lifesaver, but it saves itself. So this can be rebuilt. It's pretty amazing.